I'll start by opening the compass to a 1-inch radius, or about 2.5 centimeters. Then I will draw a circle that's roughly at the center of the page. Next, I will position my compass point on the circle, somewhat in line with the center of the circle, but I don't need to draw any horizontal lines for this. And I'll just draw another circle. Now, I will position the compass point at the intersection of the two circles, and I will draw another circle. Notice how all the circles that I am adding are passing through the centers of the previous circles that I've drawn. Now I'll move the compass point again to the new intersection between the two circles, and I'll draw yet another circle. And again. Again, and one last time. And now I have a beautiful flower inside the first circle, and also it's divided, I have the 6-fold divisions. It's divided into 6 equal parts.